going on, my Tap Dot Auto fans? Hey, hey, hey. Look what we got here. A 2018 Chevy Equinox. Oh, okay. Thing's got 160,000 miles on it, they said. Oh, little push start. Oh, thank you, cute. Oh, yep, I gotta put my damn foot on the brake. There we go. Whoop, monetized. Oh, AC feels good. I think we're just gonna do this right here. Ooh, wow. Yeah. Front brakes are like serious. Like, huh. Okay. Now let's see what they got back here in the back. Yep. I don't see the brake pads. I don't see brake pads. So it looks like I'm gonna have to call them and tell them. That might be them right there. Oh, that oil. 0-20 with a Fram oil filter. Alright. And brake pads. Alright guys, give me a minute, let me get set up. Thought I was pressing record. I got one tire off. See. Content. I know. I need to get me a haircut. I know that. Can't afford it right now. These brakes up here are still decent. I don't want them changed, so we're going to change them. Yeah, it's still about half past. Wow, what the hell? Like somebody beat the hell out of this rotor. Y'all see that? Y'all see that in the camera? Man, I don't feel nothing. It looks like these rotors were turned. Wow, that's a hell of a whip. Well, they don't look like they've ever been off. That's really crazy. Huh, I've never seen nothing like that. I'm gonna tell you what, I don't know how the back brakes look just yet, but this thing, you get that, you even sneeze on that pedal. This thing just tries to throw you. We still have a Car Quest? Wow, I haven't put Car Quest stuff on a car in a long time. I know I need a shorter screwdriver, but guess what? It's in the truck. Truck's not here. Wolf dog. Look at that. That is some big indentions right there. What's going on back here? Oh, this road is 8. Oh, crap. Crap. Oh, this is what the part of my job is not nice. Damn it. Alright, well, I gotta give a call. I'll be back. Alright, guys, we're gonna go buy another rotor. I thought about maybe doing a flap attack on it. I ain't doing that. So, I feel that it's unsafe. I mean, look what it has done to the brake rope pad. Especially that. So, I feel that it's unsafe. Tell me what y'all guys think in the comments. So, we're gonna change it. We are gonna change it. I wonder if it's gonna be hell. I'm hoping the other side ain't like this. But let's get this off and I'll be back. Glad I made them decision to get another one. Wow. I hope the other side don't look like that. That's terrible. Alright, I'm gonna go get the rear brakes done. I'll be back. Alright guys, got the brand new rotor on. Yes, if you see that bolt's missing, you don't really need it. It just holds the rotor on as you put this assembly on from factory. The other hole is just rusty as hell, and as y'all seen that I was taking that out, it actually was cross-threaded from factory. So ain't nothing major. If it was, I'd fix it, but it ain't nothing major. Everything's still tight and right. Everything still moves. Everything's good. All right, we got one more brake to do and oil change. All right, guys, another one done. I just got done taking it for a drive. Everything's tight and right. I think I'm gonna check these lug nuts one more time. Didn't hear no noises or anything. I think I'm gonna check these lug nuts one more time. The tire looks low, but it might be just where it's sitting. Alright. I did not change the oil because, guys, stop using impacts on those damn oil drain plugs. I told the customers and stuff like that, I had to call them and stuff. This damn thing is so tight, I put all my damn body weight in to try to break it loose with a ratchet. And when I couldn't break it loose with a ratchet, I had to call the customers and tell them, hey, this is it. I could either take this thing off and it could break the oil pan, or it can come right out. Either way. And so they opted to take it back to the dealership and have them mess with it, which that's what I would do. Because I mean, guys, it's on there way too tight. But everything's good, gravy. We'll get to the next Equinox. Oh, y'all want to see the old stuff that came off? Here's the old stuff that came off. Yeah. Pretty bad. Dealership should have changed them rear brake pads when they did the front ones, and they should have did all 4 rotors. I only did one neck brake job. The other 3 need to be done. Alright guys. Share, like, and subscribe. Later. Sorry to get in it. Quiet little thing. I was driving around the yard. Make sure there are no noises. Pretty quiet car. Drive it off here in the grass. Stops really good. Doesn't feel like it's going to throw you out the damn windshield this time. No clanking. Give it a good one. Backup camera. I don't even use a backup camera when I have a backup camera. I don't know. Well, some of the cars I do. Some of the cars I do. Sounds good to me, guys. With no scrapes. With no clunks. Tires falling off. No, nothing. It just sucks I can't get the damn, it sucks I can't get the damn oil pan drain plug off. I ain't gonna take and risk it. I mean, it's easy too. It's right there. Y'all guys own one of these cars. Y'all know that it's right there. But that's not for me. I don't know what that is, but that ain't for me. All right. Nice little dent in the damn tailgate. Didn't even see that. Video caught it though. All right. Later, guys.